Hello there and welcome back to Missy's Kitchen, coming to you from the beautiful province of Prince Edward Island. Today in the kitchen we're going to be making beetroot pasta. So the ingredients that we're going to need to make our beetroot pasta today are beets, pasta of your choice, red pepper, garlic, some crushed up chilies, some feta cheese, cilantro or any herb of your choice, some real lemon, some cut up lemon, some onions, some salt and pepper, and olive oil. So I have my burner on about medium to high heat. My water is boiling and we're going to put about half the package of noodles in. Depends on how many people you're cooking for. You might need the whole bag. And we're going to bring that to a boil and we're going to cook this for about 8 to 10 minutes.
Alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar.
Okay, so I have a blender here and we're going to go ahead and add the beets to it. This will be our sauce when we're finished. Then we're going to add our peppers. Garlic. Just a little bit of the chili. Salt and pepper to taste. And some olive oil. You might have to add some more olive oil, we'll see. So we're going to give everything a pulse. I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil. So we're going to take our beetroot sauce now that our pasta is ready and drained, and we're going to pour some over top. And we're going to mix that in. A beautiful color. Make sure the pasta's covered. There, and now it's ready to plate. Okay, so this is the fun stage for me when you get to plate it and put all your toppings on. I'll go ahead and put some here on the plate. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay. And I'm going to put some feta cheese on. A little bit of lemon juice. Oops. And some green onion. cilantro. And just a few lemon wedges for the side. And you're done. This is a very simple but elegant meal to serve your family or friends. If you like this video, please subscribe or hit the like button. Until next time, bye for now.